So, students, today we are going to discuss about a derivation that is for integrated rate equation. Okay, and derivation of integrated rate equation for which order? For zero order as well for first order. So, first we will see for zero order reaction. What is zero order reaction? In this class of reaction, the rate of reaction is directly proportional to 0 power of the concentration of reactant. Suppose we took rate law expression R equal to K a to the power n. Okay, a to the power n. R equal to K a to the power. K is rate constant, A is for a reaction in which A is converting into product and N is its order of reaction. So for a reaction A is converting into product, for zero order reaction N will be kitna? N will be 0. So we can express rate in terms of rate of disappearance of reactant or appearance of product. So we will take disappearance of reactant. So minus dA by dt, rate can be represented as minus dA by dt, or R equal to K A naught. What is? These two terms are same but written in a different manner. Like R equal to minus dA by dt for A means A is consuming here, and R equal to K A naught. It is a differential equation and it is what? It is rate law. R equal to K A not because it is zero order reaction. So if we will club, we will find minus dA by dt equal to K a ki power A naught, and A naught A ki power 0, not A naught, A ki power 0. Now A ki power 0 or A to the power 0, the power when it is 0 it will be 1. So K and whole term will be 1. So now next is minus dA by dt equal to K, or we can write minus dA equal to K dt. Correct now? Now we can shift minus sign here to this side. So dA will equal to minus K dt. Remember, in integration it can be treated as dx, right? So on integration dA, and because rate constant is constant term now, so it will be outside. So dt. Now integration of dx equal to x. So dA will become A and dt will become t. Minus k is already outside and one integration constant will be here, I equal to integration constant. तो a new equation like a equal to minus kt plus I कैसे आया? देखिए यहाँ पे minus dA equal to minus k dt. On integration dA will become a and dt will become t because k is already outside, so that a equal to minus kt plus I is what? Integration constant. Now it will be treated as equation number 1. Now let t equal to 0. What is t equal to 0? T equal to 0 means it is a time when reaction is in not it's not up to started. Reaction start नहीं हुआ है, बिल्कुल 0 means if I will start my bike, but before starting the bike it is in rest na. So at that time is 0 when bike is not starting run, ठीक है, or ride something. So देखिए यहाँ पे t equal to 0 means when time is exactly 0, then what is? Reactant consume हुआ ही नहीं होगा. Reactant is not consumed at that time, so that A will become A naught. Means when reaction is not started, reactant is 100%, so that for 100% we will put A naught, right? And what is this? A means a reactant concentration which is going to decrease. Means A from because suppose we are starting the reaction at this time, just started. Before this time it is fully 100%, means A naught, and just it is as started, suppose 1 second, 2 second or 1 minute is done, is completed. So that particular time A naught will become A, means A is now starting consume. so that it is not purely 100%. Now it is a is different term and a naught is different term. What is a naught? A naught is initial concentration of reactant, and what is a? Concentration of reactant at time t. It can't be 0, it can be 1 second, 2 second, 1 minute, and till completion. Okay, so on putting these values in equation number 1, what if I will put a equal to a naught and t equal to 0, so a naught equal to minus kt. A is now a naught and t is 0. Here a equal to a naught and t equal to 0, so a naught will equal to minus k into 0 plus I, and a naught will become I, so that we can replace this integration constant with a naught when we will club equation number 1 and equation number 2. So what will be the new equation? A equal to minus kt plus I के in place of I we will use a naught. So a equal to minus kt plus a naught. This will be a straight line equation. Y equal to mx plus c. Remember, whenever y equal to mx plus c is there, we can easily plot a graph in which on y-axis we will put A and on x-axis we will put T. In chemical kinetics, every reaction for zero order, for first order, we will plot a graph in between concentration of reactant with respect to time. Remember it. किसके किसके बीच में? Concentration of reactant with respect to time, A versus T. Okay. So here M represents slope and C represent intercept. So slope will be in decreasing manner, that slope equal to minus k, and remaining part it will be considered as intercept a naught. So this graph is very important, very much important, and in this year current session which was on 2020 board exam, graph for first order was asked. So maybe is this time this graph can be come to your exam. Okay, now from equation number 3, what is 3? A equal to minus kt plus a naught, right? So I can rewrite is like this: kt equal to a naught minus a, or k equal to a naught minus a upon t. It is what? It is integrated rate equation and final form of integrated rate equation for which order? For zero order. ये final form है integrated rate equation का, किसके लिए? For zero order reaction. And what is this? This is differential form of, what is this? This is differential form of rate equation or order of reaction for which equation? For zero order reaction. Now one more important topic, that is half life time or half life period. We can denote it like T half or T 50%. It's not that much, it is not a big deal as we are thinking. Very common concept. T half, half life means time in which concentration of reactant is reduced just a half, reduced to 50% of its initial value or initial concentration. So if T equal to T half means time is 50% passed or 50% completed. Both term can be treated as equal. Na? So A is what? A means a concentration, not at time 0. A is that concentration when reaction start proceeding in forward direction or backward direction, and A is starting or start consuming. A is start consuming. ठीक है? और concentration of A is just starting decreasing. ठीक है ना? तो A equal to A naught by 2. What is A? T half is that time where concentration of that reactant is reduced to just half of its initial concentration. Means A naught is initial concentration and A is concentration at time t, but when we will take T half, the concentration of reactant कितना consume होगा? It will consume just half of its initial value. So A equal to कितना? A naught by 2. Now if we will put T half in this equation, T is equal to T half and A equal to A naught by 2, we will get this one: T half equal to A naught minus A naught by 2. Then final value will be T half equal to A naught by 2k. What it's represent? It is half life expression for zero order, number 1. Number 2, T half of zero order, half-life of zero order is directly proportional to what? Initial concentration of reactant. Statement question, assertion reason question, or some tricky question, some reasoning question can be asked from here, that for which order of reaction, which order T half is directly proportional to initial concentration of reactant. So it is for which order? For zero order. Okay, when we will see in first order, it is independent of initial concentration of reactant. In next lecture I will explain, I will make again one video, and you will better know that how T half can be independently attached or connected with initial concentration of reactant. But for zero order, T half is directly proportional to initial concentration of reactant. Remember this one. And numerical part will contain this segment, k इक्वल टू ए नॉट अपॉन ए नॉट माइनस ए अपॉन टी. कैसे आएगा मैं आपको बता देता हूं. सपोज यूनिट ऑफ रेट कांस्टेंट पूछेगा और आपसे ही विल आस्क टाइम, एंड ही विल गिव लाइक initial concentration of reactant is 2 molar, or after 10 minutes its concentration decreased to half, or its concentration is now 1 molar or 1.5 molar. So what will be the unit of rate constant? तो initial concentration is कितना? 2 molar. After 10 minutes कितना? It's 1 molar. तो 2 minus 1 is 1, and time is कितना? 10. तो रेट कांस्टेंट वैल्यू कितना हो जाएगा? इट विल बिकम 1/10 और 0.1. तो इन नेक्स्ट डे एंड अपकमिंग डेज वी विल सॉल्व न्यूमेरिकल as we will complete our zero order and first order segment. So for in next video lesson I will talk about first order reaction, derivation of integrated rate equation for which order? For first order reaction. So it's all about zero order reaction. Remember the number 1, the graph. Number 2, rate equation, integrated rate equation. Number 2, T half. What is T half? And what is y mx plus c? So these segments are very much important. And when you will attempt numerical, when you will gonna attempt board questions, you will see direct question from this lecture. So watch this video, download this video again, and as much as you can just go through this video so that you will better understand the concept, the logic behind zero order reaction. Thank you very much.